Hi gals and guys. So it's going to take me about 5 minutes to do this video of removing the balance wheel, the hand wheel, from the Singer 338. And that's all I'm going to do in this video is take it apart, and that's where the video will end up. And then in the second video of the 3 videos about this, I'll be doing some oiling up top on the horizontal arm shaft and doing a little bit of surface cleaning video, getting it off, and then the next video will be oiling and cleaning before the hand wheel, balance wheel goes back on. And I've also taken the bob, I'm going to take the bobbin winder off as well. And so that'll get tidied up, and I do this all by myself. I do appreciate the support that I already get, and I could always use more support in the form of subscribers, likes, and notifications and all that good stuff. So if you're so inclined, it would be appreciated. Myself and the machines, we like hanging out here on YouTube and having fun with you guys. Anyway, I'm going to get to work. Hi gals, hi guys. I'm here with 2 Singer sewing machines. The one on the left, that one is a 348 that we have been playing with recently, last number of weeks, months. And then on our right, we have the 338. And it's really cool because the 338 is very similar. But this does have a reciprocating hook, which I'm not all that familiar with. So this is going to be a really great opportunity to learn about that. What this video is going to be about today is actually going to be a hand wheel video on the 338. But I'm just getting started. Now the machine is messy. It has not been cleaned. It has not been oiled. So that's what I'm going to be working on in this video, is the hand wheel, the balance wheel at the other end. And let me aim up a little so you can see what I'm babbling on about. And what I did was I had already removed the horizontal arm top cover, this top cover, and I had replaced the top cover screws there. And then I was chucking this out and it was loose. And the reason it was loose is because it has been jury rigged in there with a paper clip. Okay, so I'm looking in the manual here, and the first thing that I'm going to have to do is remove the end cover plate. Is that what they call this? Yeah, they call this the arm end cover. So I've loosened both of those screws, and I've also loosened this screw up here on the bobbin winder, which we'll look at later. For now, we're just going to get this cover off. And I have loosened these 3 screws already. So there's the first one. And they are slow, like they are gummed, they are varnished to a point. Now it's loosened up, mess there. Now that end cover plate comes off, and we can see the electric motor and the belt and all that. And likewise, I don't want to lose these screws, so I put them back where they're supposed to be. They'll be getting some tender loving care later. But there is the motor and the belt and the pulleys, and we can see a little bit of rust or varnish. Now I have some other screws right there. So that's the screw I'm going to go after now. And I have this little screwdriver here, and all I have to do is loosen that. I don't really have to take it right out. And I've loosened it so that I can undo that. There, I'm getting it now. And there it is, it's off, and I just dropped the washer. But I have this handy device so that I was able to pick it up promptly and retrieve it. So there's there's the cover and that washer. Now I'm going to see if this will come off. It will. And it's pulling the belt off too. Let me see if I can just, ouch, get the belt to, no, I can't get the belt to weasel itself off that way. I've got this loosened, this set screw right there, it's loosened. So I can just pull this pulley right off the shaft there, and there we can see the rust and grunge on the shaft. But now we've got the pulley off, and now I'm going to be able to just pull the hand wheel off like that, and the belt. And I'm going to be able to remove the bobbin winder, because I do want to remove the bobbin winder as well. So I'm going to take that screw right out right now, and I'm going to be looking for a washer or anything that I might not expect. And how about that? There's a washer. And I think there's another one as well. So that one is the first one. Is there another one? No. And So that will it come now? I may not be able to remove it entirely right now. I may have to take that front cover off even. Let me see if I can. Now what? Well, I'll take it out, and what I'm trying to do is pull it back or off. Can I get that out now? No. I think I may have to take that front cover off. So let me see if I can get that front cover off. Interesting. But there we have it right now. So I have to put some of these things away, like those things down there, those screws over there. But we're making progress and we're coming along, so I'm going to stop there and tidy up and then figure out what I'm going to do about that front plate and the bobbin winder. How does that sound with you guys and gals? So there, I made good on the promise, and next video can do some oiling and tidying up at this end and on the top, and we'll get our nice clean parts back on the machine and probably get it all put back together and ready to go in the next video or two. Thanks for being here. Hope you guys and gals stay safe, have fun, keep coming back, and yeah, I hope this was helpful for you. So, adios amigos.